Hello, everybody. My name is Mason Maggs, and today I'm here to bring you the security guard riddle. Ed and Leon work as security guards for the local history museum. Every night, the two guards patrol the building looking for bandits and thieves. The museum is shaped like a single floor circle. In fact, here's the layout right now. The museum is divided into a total of 9 rooms. Each room is connected to the 2 rooms next to it. The middle of the museum is a garden. Nothing valuable is in there, so no point patrolling it. Every night, the 2 men wander this museum in circle fashion. Ed can walk through all the rooms in 15 minutes. Leon is a little faster. He can circle the building in 10 minutes. At the start of the night, both men begin at the northmost point of the museum. Ed always goes clockwise, Leon always goes counterclockwise. One night, when the 2 guards pass each other for the 3rd time, they spot a thief hiding in the room they're in, trying to steal one of the museum's valuables. Tell me, which room was the thief hiding in? Pause the video here if you want to try to figure this out for yourself. A good thing to keep in mind for this problem is that the museum is a big circle divided into 9 rooms. So, since a circle is 360 degrees, each room will form a 40-degree angle from the center of the museum. Alright, now where do we start for real with the problem? Let's start by figuring out how long it takes for the 2 guards to meet. Let's say that 5 minutes pass. We're Ed and Leon. Well, Ed, since it takes him 15 minutes to circle the building, 5 minutes pass, he'll be 1/3 of the way done. As for Leon, since it takes him 10 minutes, he'll be halfway done. This puts Ed right between early America and Renaissance. It puts Leon in the center of the Civil War room. So the 2 guards have not passed yet. How do we figure out how long it takes them? Well, think of it this way. If the 2 guards met at the very bottom of the museum, the southmost point, both of them traveled half the distance of the museum. If they met at, say, the westmost point, one of them traveled 1/4 of the way, one of them traveled 3/4 of the way, and that also equals 1. See where I'm getting with this? No matter where the 2 guards meet, combined, they would have traveled the full length of the museum. With this in mind, we can create the equation x over 15 plus x over 10 equals 1. We can make this 10x over 150 plus 15x over 150 equals 1. That simplifies to 25x equals 150. X will then equal 6. It takes 6 minutes for the 2 guards to meet. Now, what do we do with this 6? We can use it to figure out what angle the 2 guards met at. It would be 6 over 15 going clockwise, or 6 over 10 counterclockwise. Both are the same number. To get this, we'll just focus on clockwise for now. We'd do 6 over 15 times 360, which would equal 144 degrees clockwise. That's where the 2 men meet the first time, which is right in the Renaissance room. But the problem states that when the men passed for the 3rd time, they found the thief. But that's not a problem. We'll just times our answer by 3 to get 432 degrees. We can minus 360 from that, because that's just one full rotation, and we get 72 degrees clockwise. So, where's the thief hiding? You guessed it, in the prehistory room. Thank you so much for watching. Today's quote of the day is from Bruce Schneier. Security is a process, not a product. Well, that's all, folks. Thank you so much for playing. Until next time, later.